Hello everyone, welcome back to the 101 Library. Today, we're diving into Make, a powerful automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services to make your life easier. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a scenario in Make to connect different apps and to automate tasks. So, let's get started. Make, formerly known as Integromat, is a versatile platform that allows you to automate tasks by creating workflows called scenarios. These connect different apps and services. For example, you can sync data between Google Forms and Trello, or you can automate an email every time a form is submitted. To get started with Make, head to make.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Here, all your operations and data transfer is monitored. You can click on Templates, and this will take you to the Templates page. Here, you'll find a lot of pre-made templates that can help you connect different apps and automate different tasks. Today, we will create a simple automation workflow from the beginning. To do so, click on the Scenarios tab, and this will take you to the scenarios page. Here you'll see all your scenarios. We don't have any, so let's create our first scenario. Click on create new scenario, and this will create your first scenario. Our goal is to automatically create a Trello card whenever a new Google form is submitted. I will be using my Trello board that we made in our previous Trello video. This board monitors content creation, ideas, and its progress. I also created a simple Google form for people to submit suggested ideas and description. Let's head back to Make. Now, the first step is to add a trigger. In our case, it will be our Google form. Click on the plus sign and then search for Google Forms. Click on Google Forms, and now we have to choose our trigger type. In our case, we will choose the Watch Responses trigger. This trigger works when a new form is submitted. Click on Watch Responses, and here you'll have to specify the form that you want to use. First, you have to connect to your Google Forms account. Click on Add Simply and follow the steps. Now, for the form ID, head back to your form, and you will find the form ID in the search bar between the D and the edit. Copy all that text, head back to Make, and paste it into Forms ID. After, you have to choose your limits. This will be the number of forms you work with every execution cycle. I'll leave it as 2. Click on OK, and your Google Forms trigger is added. Let's test our Google Form trigger. I'll head back to my Ideas form and I'll submit a new form. I'll click on Submit. I'll head back to Make, and I'll run my workflow. You can see the Make tells you that there was one form submitted. If you click on this number, you can see the submission details. This looks good. Next, we will have to add our Trello action. Click on the plus sign, search for Trello, in my case it's here, and then we will have to choose an action. For this workflow, the action will be to create a card. Search for create a card, and here you could enter your new card details. First, you have to connect to your Trello account, then you have to specify a board. Click on choose select, then choose your board. In our case, it will be the content creation workflow. After, choose a list. In this case, it will be the ideas list. You could choose to add labels to your card. I'll skip for now. You can choose to assign members, and you can choose the name for your new card. In this case, I will pull this from the answers of my form. Click on the drop-down menu next to answers, expand ideas, expand text answers, I'll choose a value. Similarly, we will add a description for this card from our responses. Once finished, click on OK, and your Trello action is created. Next, let's submit another Google form. I'll head back to my form, click on Submit another response, click on Submit. I'll head back to my flow, I'll run it one more time, and you can see that my action was run. I'll go back to my Trello board, and as you can see, a card is added. You can open that card, and you can see that the description matches what we submitted in the form. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful automation that saves you time and keeps your task organized. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.